The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to save layered files in the Photoshop native format of PSD, which stands for Photoshop Document. We have an image here, and to save the file in Photoshop, we'll follow these steps. First, go to the File menu. Next, select Save As. Third, type in an appropriate file name and choose a storage location. Fourth, verify that the file type is set to Photoshop Document. This allows you to save the layers in the file for future editing. To flatten the image for use on websites, choose JPEG format for an image. Next, click Save. Finally, notice the File tab now contains the file name that you just assigned. And that's it. That's all there is to saving a Photoshop native file format.